The Mann Art Gallery hosts Free Art Day, which is designed to make art easier to try in Prince Albert. The program offers free supplies and artists are on hand to help people get started.
We're just kind of a safe space for everyone to come and explore their creativity. We always have one or two artists here to help kind of walk people through their creative process, whether it's helping start to finish or kind of just here for encouragement. I think it's a really good way for the youth to kind of see art as more than just a pastime.
The coordinator says that for some people, the biggest challenge is confidence, so the goal is to make the first step easier with help and encouragement along the way.
Even if you don't think you're good in your own way. Art is something that comes naturally to people. Yeah, some people art comes a little easier, but other people it just takes getting your foot through the door, and that's why we're here to help. Even if you have no previous experience, we're here to help you and walk you through everything step by step.
Kiera says the impact can be personal and that programs like these can help young people grow and see creativity as something they can build on over time.
But for me personally, I started coming to our art youth days when I was just little, and it kind of pushed me to help me kind of grow, seeing that it isn't something that we can just do for fun, that it's something that we can do more permanently.
Free Art Day at the Mann Art Gallery is one of the several programs designed to help Prince Albert residents explore their talents and build skills. For more information on upcoming sessions and other programs, people can contact or visit the Mann Art Gallery website. For Rogers TV, I'm Ephraim Buliba in Prince Albert.